Okay, here we have a pretty classic problem about clubs and memberships. So, in this problem, we're joining a golf club, and there are two different clubs we can join, one of which has a $0 membership fee, but the other one has a $15 membership fee. But if I buy golf balls, the golf balls are 85 cents at the first club, but only 50 cents at the second club. So golf balls are cheaper at the second club, but I have to pay a membership fee. So classic problem. So let's work through this. First, we are going to we'll just make a table here of what it costs for golf balls at these different clubs. So let's see. And we're just going to go up by fives. I don't want to list every single golf ball price. So for the first one, I have, let's see, 85 cents times 5 gives us $4.25. So let's see, $4.25. And then for 85 cents times 10 is $8.50. And I think I still want to just do this by myself because it's long and boring. Okay, so I finished up for the first club. $4.25, $8.50, $12.75. I went down to 45 golf balls, which is $38.25. So let's look at the second club. Now in the second club, we're only 50 cents per golf ball, but there is this $15 fee just to get in, so we got to start with that. So see, 50 cents, that's $2.50. So $17.50 if you just want to buy 5 golf balls. 10 golf balls, 50 cents each is $5, so that's $20 overall, and I'm going to fill the rest of this table out myself because I figure you can handle that on your own. So let's see, now I have the second club filled out, starting out with $17.50 for 10 or for 5 golf balls, 10 golf balls for $20, and so on. So now let's go ahead and let's graph these two, just kind of see what that looks like. So you got an idea from the table what the different costs are, but let's look at it as a graph. So I'm going to start out with here. Now I'm going to plot our whole number points. So I have 2017 and 4034. So I have 20, and there's 2017. Just to show you down here, I did number of golf balls across the bottom. I'm going up by, I think it's 2 golf balls per line. And then over here, I went up to, let's see, I'm just going up by, let's see, 5. And so it's $1 per line. And that should be plenty to fit on your paper. And then I had the number 40, where's it on our table here? 40 golf balls and $34. So I'm going down here to 40 golf balls. I'm going up to, all the way up to, there's 30. There's 34 right there. Okay. So I'm kind of, my table and my graph are going to kind of run together a little bit. Let's see, and that is, so that's going down through the origin because it's 0, 0, by the way. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put my ruler way down here. Right, $0, 0 golf balls. And we'll go all the way up through our graph here. Boy, kind of hard to draw. Let's see. Alright, well, pretty good there. So this is Club A. I'll write that down here, Club A. Now let's graph Club B. Club B starts at the point 0 golf balls cost $15. So if I don't buy any golf balls at all, I'm still paying $15. Let's see, and we've got see, 10, 20, 20, 25. So we'll plot some of these points. So let's see, 10 is 20, 10, 20. Let's see, we have 20, 25, 20, 25. We have 30, 30. Okay, and then we have 40, 35. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and plot. I'm going to draw these. Okay. and my again, my table and my graph are going to overlap a little bit. And this is Club B. Okay. So the question was, the question was the thing was to explain why it is that the price of, or that the which club you want, which is the better deal, depends a lot on how many golf balls you buy. Now we can look here, since the height of this graph represents the cost, right? So Club B is consistently, for any number of golf balls, if I travel straight down, I can see that Club B is a greater cost. Club B is a greater cost. So the height of the graph tells us the cost for each club at any given number of golf balls. And so long as Club B line is above the Club A line, it costs more. So we get up here to this point up here, and you can see that they cross at some point there. And at that point, Club A, if it continues on, will become more expensive than Club B. So if you buy any number of golf balls that's less than this cutoff point, right, which appears to be somewhere around 40, then if you buy more golf balls than that, then you want to go with the membership, because that graph will be lower, it'll cost less. If you buy fewer than that, then you want to go with the no membership fee, because those are cheaper. And you can see the same thing in your table, by the way. For example, for 20 golf balls, 21 versus 27, Club B is more. For 35 golf balls, 29 versus 32, Club B is more. For 40 golf balls, 34 versus 35, Club B is more. But then for 45 golf balls, 38.25 is more than 37.50, so Club B is going to be more. Now we've narrowed it down to somewhere between 40 and 45. We might ask, well, where exactly is the cutoff? Well, we can figure that out too. If we write an equation, we could say that Club A, and over here I could put Club B, okay. And for Club A, the total cost is simply T equals, let's see, it's 0.85 times G, number of golf balls. And then over here for Club B, we'll call this T sub B for cost for A and cost for B, is equal to $15 plus 0.5 G. Let's just put some labels up here. T total cost, G number of balls. Okay. So I just want to figure out, well, let's say when are they equal, right? Let's figure out, but when is Club A more than Club B? So we just say, when is 0.85 G greater than 15 plus 0.5 G? So let's see, to solve this, we're just going to have to subtract 0.5 G from each side. That gives us 0.35 G greater than 15. And then we'll divide by 0.35 on each side. Get my calculator out for that. Alright, clear, we have 15 divided by 0.35 is 48.857, something or other. So let's write that out as a fraction instead. 15, oh, you may not like this. 0.35, let's see what it does. It doesn't like that. Well, we could write this as G greater than 15 over 0.35. And I could scale this fraction up to make it G greater than 1500 over, let's see, 35. Let's see what 1500, oh, clear. 1500 ABC 35 is. That's 42 6/7. So for G greater than 42 and 6/7. Okay, since I can't buy 6/7 of a golf ball, then 43 golf balls is our cutoff, which is seemingly in line with what we thought. So again, for the two costs, first of all, I started out by making a table of values just to see, kind of investigate and see what the two clubs cost. I then graphed them with number of golf balls on the x-axis and total cost in dollars on the y-axis. And then I can see that Club B is higher up than Club A. For most of the graph that we can see here, I'll put up here, Club B is higher up than Club A, which means that Club B is more expensive. But I can visually see that at some point they cross, and as we continue, Club A will be more. I can look at my table and see the same thing. I consistently see that Club A's numbers are lower until we hit 45, and then Club B's numbers are all of a sudden lower. And then I can set up equations to represent the cost for each club, and then make an inequality to show when is the cost for Club A greater than the cost for Club B, which I solve, and I got 42 and 6/7. Of course, I can't buy 6/7 of a golf ball, so I have to buy 43. So if I buy more than 43, I should go with Club B. If I buy less than 43, I should go with Club A.